you. Welcome to Beauty Over 40. It's that time of the month where we collaborate, my girls and myself. Beauty Over 40 collab. We are celebrating Pride. Of course, we want to celebrate all of those in the community. I think most of us have either loved ones or friends, someone that is in the Pride community. So this is our salute to them.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys. Happy Pride Month. Couple things. I went on vacation and came back, and as soon as I came back, I got sick. So I don't know if you can tell still in my voice, but I'm like 98%. I'm like 98% right now, but I'm recovering and, you know, taking supplements and things like that. So, but again, happy Pride Month. We're going to just create a simple look. You know, if you're someone, you just want something simple, something quick and easy, or maybe a pride party. I know we're veering toward the end of the month, just a couple days left for Pride Month. So if you're in a bind, you're in a crunch, I'm your girl. I'm just gonna do something simple. But all right, my car got cut off. But anyway, I was saying I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. You guys have seen me do my makeup plenty of times, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup real fast and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I have a couple things and I'm just not sure what I want to use. So we're gonna do colored brows. And you guys, I can't even remember when this palette came out, but maybe some of you guys will recognize it. The Urban Decay Electric palette. Many times I want to dive into color, I will pull this out because the colors are just absolutely so bright and vibrant. So I think I want to use that, but I also have these Nirvana colors, and these are the colors here by ABH. So I'm perplexed. I don't know if I want to use, I'm pulling out all the oldies today, guys. NYX Milk. This is just, I mean, it's just perfect for a base. It's really white. So I don't know if I want to fill my brows in with that or if I want to do these. I am perplexed. Of course, with the Milk, I can do several colors. A lot of the colors are here, but I'm missing like a blue. So, excuse me. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so I think first, let me just start off with the white. And the good thing about these, if you have these, you know, if you're going out for a night on the town, they glow in the dark. So these are great for something like that. You do have to wet to activate them, but let's go ahead and start off with the white and just to see how it's going to act. And that will determine if I will continue on with it. I'm looking for a really thin brow brush, and I have one. So we're just going to fill in our brow like we normally do and go from there. So far so good. So first we're just going to do an outline. Let's fill that in some more. You can still see the hairs. I probably sprayed a little bit too much water on it. Ooh. As you can see, it's really easy to work with. So imagine having this on and, like, you know, going out for a night on the town and your brows are glowing. That's pretty cool, right? The only thing with this is I can't really get a fade like I usually like. So it's definitely going to have to be where I make like the little brow hairs in the front, which is not bad. All right, so we're gonna let that dry a little bit. But while this is drying, I'll let you guys know. Maybe some of you guys saw in my stories on Instagram. But I went to the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. So I was there for a week and had an absolute ball. There was, between friends and family, there was 21 of us, and we had a great time. Vacations never last long enough, right? But being over there, you know, being in the water, you know, being around so many people, anyway, had a really great time being in all that vitamin D, and as soon as I got home, I got sick. So I don't know if it was climate change, you know, shock, body shock, or, you know, if it was actually germs. Who knows? You know, the world we live in, who knows? All right, so I feel like this is pretty much almost dry. I think I'm gonna stick with this just because it's easy to work with. I may do something, may use the shadow on the lips, I'm not sure. But of course we have several colors. I know I want to do the darkest color on the end. So again, here are the colors. So I think I'm going to do, okay, so white, yellow, orange, pink, green, and then purple. It's a blue light filter defense mist. I'm just gonna, that's what I'm using just to spray. So I'm gonna do just a couple sprays and go in with the yellow. All right, next we will do orange. And I'm already 8 minutes in on my video, so I don't know if I'm gonna film both on, ooh, the orange is really bright. But, you know, I wanna overlap them. All right, next we're gonna go in with the pink. And of course, guys, these work great for liners. You can pretty much do, you know, whatever you want to with these. All right, there's the green. And then the last color is purple. Try not to spray so much of this, but quite a bit comes out. I think I got these during the pandemic, so I'm not sure if they still carry these or not. But even if you can't find these, something close to, ooh, that purple's so pretty. I'm sure you can find something comparable. Okay, that's cute. All right, guys. Excuse me. All right, so I'm gonna do my other brow and then come back. We'll figure out the lips. All right, guys, so the brows are done. Now, if you want to, you can like go in with foundation or concealer to clean that up. I think I will go in with a little foundation, just the bottom edges. Go right on the bottom. All right, so the brows are done. So I'm not gonna do any color or anything on my lid. It's just gonna be nice neutral color. And we want the brows and the lips to stand out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna prep my lip with white and then I'll be back. Now, if you have color liners, you can easily just put that on. So I'm just gonna go in with the electric palette that I showed you guys earlier. No rhyme or reason, I'm just going in with the different colors here. Start off with the yellow, then green. Let's do pink. All right, so for the bottom, let's start off with blue. I've always loved this blue. It's a really pretty blue. And then let's go ahead into purple. Let's do pink. I'm gonna do orange on the other side. Orange is really pretty as well. The orange has like a shimmer to it. Like it has flecks of silver in it. Let's do yellow. All right, I'm gonna do something to my hair and I'll be back. All right guys, I'm back. This is my look, just something really, again, really quick and simple. Today we focus on the brows and the lips. You can use whatever you have. You can use any white base. You can pretty much do the brows with anything, like a cream base. You can use powder, eyeshadow. I just wanted to do a white background first, just to you know, have the colors pop out a little bit more. And then the lips as well, we use a white base, and then just eyeshadow. So really quick and simple. Probably took me 20 minutes to do the brows and the lips. But yeah, really fun look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if this is something you will try. All right, and I just wanted to not dive deep, but just read a little bit about what Pride Month is. And if I go to Google and click on Pride Month, there's a cute little animation that pops up. But Pride Month, sometimes specified as LGBT Pride Month, is a month-long observance dedicated to the celebration of Pride, commemorating the contributions of lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender culture and community. That's just a little spiel. There's tons of information out there if you're wanting to know more details about, you know, what may be going on in your community or around your area. Just definitely Google and you will have all that information pop up again. Also, again, make sure you check out my girls that participated in this month's collaboration. I have several people in my life that is part of the community, so this is my hug to them. And that is it for the video. Again, happy Pride, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is where I'm mostly active, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.